The trick to passing the DMV test on the first try is road signs. Master these 40 US road signs and cruise through the test. Okay, let's go. Name this road sign. Correct. This is the yield sign. Guess this traffic sign. Excellent. This sign prohibits making U-turns in the area. Identify this road sign. Well spotted. This sign alerts drivers to a railroad crossing ahead. Name this traffic sign. Correct. This is the school zone sign. Guess this road sign. Excellent. This sign warns drivers of a winding road ahead. This traffic sign is? Well observed. This sign shows the speed limit in the area. Identify this road sign. Correct. This is the right turn only sign. What is this traffic sign? Excellent. This sign indicates an upcoming train station. Name this road sign. Well spotted. This sign alerts drivers to a Y intersection ahead. Guess this traffic sign. Correct. This sign indicates the speed limit ahead. Identify this road sign. Excellent. This is the steep grade hill percentage sign. Name this traffic sign. Well observed. This sign marks a divided highway crossing. What is this road sign? Correct. This sign prohibits pedestrians from crossing the road. Guess this traffic sign. Excellent. This is the crosswinds warning sign. Identify this road sign. Well spotted. This is the hill bike sign. What is this traffic sign? Correct. This is the wrong way warning sign. Name this road sign. Excellent. This sign marks a reverse curve to the left. Name this traffic sign. Well observed. This sign indicates a passenger-only ferry terminal. Identify this road sign. Correct. This sign shows a motorcycle advisory plaque. Guess this traffic sign. Excellent! This sign warns of a truck rollover hazard on the right. What is this road sign? Well spotted. This sign marks a no passing zone. Name this traffic sign. Correct. This sign shows the direction to bicycle parking area. Identify this road sign. Excellent! This sign warns drivers to slow down. This traffic sign is well observed. This is an upcoming uneven surface. Name this road sign. Correct. This sign alerts drivers to offset side roads to the left and right. Identify this traffic sign. Excellent! This is wild horse crossing warning sign. Name this road sign. Well spotted. This sign indicates an added lane from the left. What is this traffic sign? Correct. This is the state bicycle route sign. Guess this road sign. Excellent. This sign marks handicapped accessible parking area. Identify this traffic sign. Well observed. This is the right shoulder drop off ahead sign. Name this road sign. Correct. This sign prohibits pedestrians from passing stopped trains. Name this traffic sign. Excellent. This is the storage space sign. Name this road sign. Well spotted. This sign indicates a low clearance ahead. Identify this traffic sign. Correct. This is a county route marker. Guess this road sign. Excellent. This sign marks a park and ride location. Guess this traffic sign. Well observed. This sign shows a gasoline service station. What is this road sign? Correct. This is the crossroad with parallel tracks right sign. Identify this traffic sign. Excellent. This alerts drivers to a reverse curve to the right. Guess this road sign. Well spotted. This sign indicates a curve with tangent to the right. Identify this traffic sign. Correct. This sign indicates a side road with parallel tracks on the right. Congrats making it to the end. If you want more DMV driving tips, lessons, and road sign training, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Watch the videos on your screen to keep learning. See you in the next one.